So we are back with Asnates' car. He got a brand new car. Sir, what is
It's a Audi S4 supercharged 3.0 V6 2013.
and we're doing exhaust to it. So, well, he's doing exhaust to it. I'm here to record. So, yeah, enjoy this video of him finally doing shit to his bone stock car.
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Get all that rust.
Cut it.
What do you need help with?
I need help getting this bolt off.
Which bolt?
The only one that's fucking rounded. Stupid German cars. They're rusty shit bolts. I'm about to cry.
I'm not an Audi mechanic. I'm a shitbox mechanic.
Same thing, right?
No, Audis are more expensive than shitbox.
Type shit. I just want to say a big thank you to Devin.
Why?
Because I got that bolt off and he couldn't.
What was that?
The Honda man turned into an Audi mechanic. Should have bought one of them down hanger things. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, they're called crowbars.
What the fuck?
Oh, you mean a sawzall?
There's another hanger down there. Oh, there it is. Right in my face. My finger. Oh shit. Dude, I'm so sorry.
What, you shit yourself?
I got a dent in your can.
Oh my god, dude. Okay, so that one won't fit in my freezer like the other one. So, I don't know what you want to do. Huh? I said that doesn't fit in my freezer, so I don't know what you want. So, we need to scrap it. I'm gonna do it piece by piece.
Maybe you should plug your ears.
So,
His exhaust is on the ground. You hear that, Cam?
Oh, I know his type. Race car.
Alright. I need a break.
No P brakes, people. No P brakes.
Oh, you bitch.
that one's just not ready.
No, it's spinning on top. I gotta hold it, but I can't fucking reach that shit. I mean, I just need to hold the top, but I can't fucking reach that shit like this. Oh, yeah, I can. Hold on. Shut up.
So no.
Devin,
What?
need your small ass in here. How about the same?
Okay. Hi, how you doing? Why did you angle them like this?
Well, unscrew the other one then.
That's your problem. Why the fuck did you put it down here?
You pushed it.
I'm being choked out by my hoodie.
I'm jealous. And it's black.
What?
Huh?
There you go.
Nice.
Hey, buddy.
What up?
Having fun.
I hate cars. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I'm not that car.
Me when with your mom and your
Fuck, Doodle Bob, spit it out.
me hoy me noy.
My turn. That looks a little better.
Did you figure it out, Inspector Gadget?
You got it?
Yeah. You fucking wear it, you little shit. Doing everything but wear it.
Let's wrap this up.
This? Alright, so it's been a long day. Very frustrating, but we got it done. Man, we got the exhaust done. It was a AWE track exhaust. Sounds really good. A lot of drone. I can complain about that, but other than that, it's only in the high RPMs. Low RPMs is pretty. Sounds really good. It's quiet.
Wait for it.
But we got it done. Now I guess next will be downpipes. That'll be another frustrating long day. And Devin wants me to get some wheels, I guess, whatever. I need to find new friends. No, I'm kidding. No, but yeah, we got everything done. If you haven't already, buy you some stickers. If you don't, I'll leave it at that. If you don't buy no stickers, you're
Cleveland did a big help with supplying light for the night. Asante did a big job on breaking bolts. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the way I decided to try to get some videos on this one. You know, make it a lot fancier. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, whatever. Buy some stickers.
Buy some stickers.
Buy some stickers.
Even if you don't need them, buy them.
Buy them. I got small stickers for y'all. I got big stickers for y'all.
White stickers, black stickers.
Yellow stickers. Yeah, so if you watching this like modifying your car, go buy some fucking stickers, because that's all it's about. Deuces.
Oh shit, cops.